Question: what do Canadians normally wear on Remembrance Day? A. A red poppy. B. A green shirt. C. A black tie. D. A white shirt. The answer is A. A red poppy. Question: in what year did Canada become a country? A. 1867. B. 1687. C. 1786. D. 1678. The answer is A. 1867. Question: what is the head of the city called? A. Mayor. B. Councillor. C. Alderman. D. Premier. The answer is A. Mayor. Question: who appoints the judges of the Supreme Court of Canada? A. The Governor General. B. The Prime Minister. C. Other judges. D. The people. The answer is A. The Governor General. Question: what are the parties that are not in power called? A. Tea parties. B. Opposition parties. C. Rival parties. D. Opponent parties. The answer is B. Opposition parties. Question: what is celebrated on the 26th of December? A. Remembrance Day. B. Victoria Day. C. Boxing Day. D. Canada Day. The answer is C. Boxing Day. Question: what level of government passes by laws? A. Provincial. B. Municipal or local government. C. Federal. D. Senators. The answer is B. Municipal or local government. Question: what are the colors present in the Canadian flag? A. Blue and white. B. Red and white. C. Green and white. D. Red and blue. The answer is B. Red and white. Question: who chose Ottawa as the capital of Canada? A. Queen Elizabeth I. B. Queen Elizabeth II. C. Queen Victoria. D. Queen Anne. The answer is C. Queen Victoria. Question: what does CPR stand for? A. Canadian Pacific Railway. B. Canadian People Railway. C. Canadian Public Road. D. Canadian People Resources. The answer is A. Canadian Pacific Railway. Question: what is the name of the royal anthem of Canada? A. Great Canada. B. Canada. C. God Save the Queen or King. D. O Canada. The answer is C. God Save the Queen or King. Question: which region is known as the industrial and manufacturing heartland of Canada? A. Atlantic provinces. B. Prairie provinces. C. Central Canada. D. West Coast. The answer is C. Central Canada. Question: where are the parliament buildings located? A. Toronto. B. Kingston. C. London. D. Ottawa. The answer is D. Ottawa. Question: what is the highest honor available to Canadians? A. The Queen's Medal. B. Elizabeth Cross. C. Victoria Medal. D. Victoria Cross. The answer is D. Victoria Cross. Question: what is a polling station? A. place where you vote. B. campaign offices for candidates. C. place where the number of vote is counted. D. member of parliament's constituency. The answer is A. place where you vote. Question: what is Canada's national winter sport? A. lacrosse. B. basketball. C. hockey. D. golf. The answer is C. hockey. Question: how is a cabinet minister chosen? A. by the Prime Minister. B. by the King. C. by the voters. D. by the senators. The answer is A. by the Prime Minister. Question: who can enter and leave the country freely without time constraints? A. Canadian citizen and landed immigrants. B. Commonwealth citizens. C. Canadian citizens. D. British citizens. The answer is C. Canadian citizens. Question: what are the Prime Minister and Cabinet Ministers together called? A. the government. B. the cabinet. C. the House of Commons. D. the Senate. The answer is B. the cabinet. Question: when is Canada Day? A. November 5th every year. B. July 1st every year. C. June 30th every year. D. July 31st every year. The answer is B. July 1st every year. Question: how are members of parliament chosen? A. elected by senators. B. elected by the Prime Minister. C. chosen by the King. D. elected by Canadian citizen. The answer is D. elected by Canadian citizen.